Welcome everyone. Today's video we're going to head down to Lidl. Now they've got some brilliant bare root fruit trees. They've got some lilacs and magnolia trees, just to name a few. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, not the biggest selections, but what they have got are great quality. So we'll start here, $14.99 for these small olives. Now I do know they are much cheaper than the B&Q and B&M. I think B&M being £20, B&Q being £25. So moving on to the lilacs then, they've got a few different varieties. All of the small trees that you see here are in pretty good nick. The growth points, as you can see just there, look really healthy. And they are just $9.99. Also magnolias, $9.99. A few different varieties of these. Now they have got Susan. Now Susan is the variety that is still yet to flower, where the stellata ones will be pretty much done and dusted. Please bear in mind when buying smaller trees like these, you probably won't get a flower this year. Moving round then, so we'll start with the $12.99 bare root trees. Now these are a fantastic price. The quality of the plant for $12.99 is really good. We'll have a quick look at the stock then. So they've got apples, they've got pears, a few different varieties as well. And we've got Victoria plums, Granny Smith, so more apples, Golden Delicious apple, and we've got the Sunburst cherries as well. All £12.99, whereas B&Q have them in stock for around £24, I believe. So we've got the veg in stock now. This is appearing everywhere. These look a little bit worse for wear, but I think this is just where people have been too clumsy with them, and we've had a little bit of frost damage just there as well. We see just lettuce there. So look a bit worse for wear, but I think that's with people digging around them. $6.99 then for the hydrangeas. Great quality, great price. It is worth bearing in mind the blue ones need an ericaceous compost, whereas the pink ones just need a multi-purpose compost to keep them healthy and pink, if that's your desired colour. No price on these, so I had to ask inside, but they told me it was $14.99 for these beautiful lemons. Now, how good would it be to have some lemons here in the UK? Spring flowering bulbs then from just £1.79. Well, they're all £1.79 to be truthful. So we've got the alliums, we've got irises, hyacinths, and some daffodils muscari, also known as the grape hyacinth. Now, obviously, you have missed the boat with these, but these will be perfect for next year. And then we've got some autumn flowering bulbs or summer flowering bulbs with the lilies as well. They're actually labelled as autumn, but these will flower in the summer for just $2.49. Now, they do have some more hydrangeas, $6.99. We have the white, the pink, and the blue ones were outside. Now, the only things these need is a little bit of a water. As you can see, they've just started to droop a little bit. They'll be absolutely fine once you've got them home. Just harden them off properly, because obviously they've been grown in greenhouses. I know I talk about this a lot, but if they're going outside in your garden, just put them in a sheltered spot for a day or two before you head out and plant them wherever you want them in the gardens. Couple of indoor plants then, labelled up as green plants, but these are the Monstera delicicosa, the Swiss cheese plant, one of my favourite house plants. You can have these outside in the summer, so when the night temperatures get much milder, you can actually put them out and bring them in before the first frosts. Couple of nice little ceramic pots then, $4.99. Again, these are more designed to be inside more so than outside, and the ceramic pots are not frost resistant. Then we've got a couple of what they're calling greenhouse plants. So we've got some ficus and some scheffler and some variegated scheffler just there, $7.99 at a decent price. And last but not least, we've got the compost here for $3.99. Now, I might be wrong, but I feel like this has gone up in price. I think this was cheaper for a 40 litre. Let me know down below. There we have it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.